Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a long-term goal you would like to achieve. You should say what the goal is, how long you have had this goal, how you would achieve it, and explain why you set this goal. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So for a question like this, some simple ideas that you can use is maybe that you want to become an entrepreneur or a business person. Maybe you want to achieve a good job, maybe in the field of engineering or become a doctor. So you can talk about things like this. Or sometimes you also have goals to possess something like maybe to buy a new house or to buy a luxury car. So you can also speak about ideas like that. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Setting goals is a good way to focus attention on the things that are important as well as allows us to create a vision of how we would like our life to be. And today, I would like to speak about my aim of becoming an entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur means someone who runs his or her own business. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I want to run a business in the construction sector and I have had this objective for over 5 years. Additionally, I would achieve my target by burning midnight oil and putting in a lot of efforts, dedication, and commitment. So, as you all can see, we have used an idiom here which is burning midnight oil, which means to put in lot of hard work and effort. Also, as you must have noticed, instead of repeating the same word goal in the question, we have used a number of synonyms like aim, target, objective, and all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Actually, it is a good idea to just pause the video and write down the synonyms and the meanings of the words as I am saying, so that you do not forget it later on. Alright, so let's continue. I would also be conducting research to gain insights about the construction sector and perform thorough analysis of the current requirements in the field. So, conduct means to do, insights means information, thorough means complete or in depth. Furthermore, my motive is to start with cement as the sole product and then expand gradually to include various kinds of building materials like gravel, timber, concrete, steel, and belong to the top notch category of builders in my country. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration for the third question, which was how would you achieve it? So, top notch means to be at the top of the category, to be the number one in a field. So, now let's answer the last question, which is explain why you set this goal. Finally, I set this goal for myself as right from my childhood, I have often seen construction workers being frowned upon and risking their health and safety at workplace due to lack of proper equipment and machinery. So, to frown upon means to look down upon someone, that means disrespect or disregard someone. I would promote workplace safety and customer satisfaction, contributing to overall growth and success of my enterprise. So, enterprise means business or firm. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.